Hi, my name is Praminder Singh, and today I am going to do my assignment 1 for BIT353 Network Architecture and Protocols for John Rankin. So in this assignment, I will implement a VoIP server over a WAN connection in a virtual environment. So for that one, I will be using free PBX, not this one Elastic, and Zapier for free PBX. I will be using as a server and Zapier as a client. So here in my virtual machine, I have already downloaded both Ubuntu and Kali, and here free PBX. So these all are, I have already set it up. Free PBX and free PBX2 both are running. So the IP address for the first server is 192.168.10.74, and these other one, the all digits are same, just the difference is the IP, the difference is just the IP address. So for this one it's 267. And now going forward, so I have done here, so free PBX. So the first one is for the 192.168.0.74. So here now we have to simply just add an extension. So here we have to do add extension. So now here we have to select add new SIP CHAN PJ SIP extension. So when I will click here, I will have a empty extension open here, but I have already done one, so I will just edit this one. So when I will edit, so I will have to give the name to the extension, that is 1000. So display name Parminder, password, and this is the same from here, extension name. And then we have to do submit. Always remember to do apply config. Yeah, it's taking a little time. Yeah, so it's all done. So now here, going to the connectivity, now we have to set up the trunks. So these are the main part of the trunks are the main part, because using trunks we will be able to call from our Ubuntu to the Kali, and from Kali to the Ubuntu. So these are just like track IDs. So here we have to do add trunk and add SIP CHAN PG SIP, because we have selected before. So this one is for the calling, and I have already done one, so I'll just make an edit on this one. So here the trunk name, so it is specified here 74207, because we will be calling from 74 to the free PBX 207. So that's why it's called this. Outbound caller ID Parminder. And then now we have to select rules. So the rules, I have selected the rule number 1 X. So which one, like it will be all digit from 0 to 9. So here now we have to select prefix and prepend. Here it will be like XXXX, that mainly donate rule 1 here. So PGSIP settings, so this will be like, here it's just we need to as it is. So SIP server will be the same from the second free PBX here, on which we will be calling, and 5060 will be our SIP server port that we have selected from dashboard. I will just show you in a minute. So first let me submit and apply config. Yeah, it's just loading. So again, going to the connectivity, now we have to select outbound routes for calling. So when we will click add outbound rules, so it will just show me an empty one, but I have already done one, so I just edit this one. So here again root name 74207, because I already told you we will be calling from this IP address to this IP address. And so root CID will be Parminder, and so trunk sequence we will select the same here. So now we're gonna do the submit and then apply config. This is very important, we do the apply configuration, otherwise it all be everything will be do undone. And now I, as like told you before, so going to the dashboard. So here PJSIP is 5060, so this is the default bind port, that's why we have selected 5060 before. So now same we will do with the other one. So here going to the application extensions, so add extension, same PJSIP extension. When we will click here we will have a new one, but I have already done one. So the name of this extension will be different from the previous one, so we will name this one as 1001, and display name will be also different, Brinder, so that we can separate it. So password is same as password. So here we need to do nothing, just let it as it is, submit, and then we have to apply config, which is the most important part. And the process is same that we have just done, there is no change, like just we are just setting up two different server at the moment for the two different clients. Yeah, it's like little bit slow. Mm, yeah, it's all good. Now we have to go to connectivity. Now we have to set up the trunks, which are set up because we have to make a call from one client to the other one. So when we will do add trunk, we will select PJSIP again, not SIP. So here we're gonna do the edit. So now the trunk name, it will be different. Before that 74 was before 207, but now 207 is first, because we will be calling from 207 to the other IP address 74. So outbound caller ID Brinder as the name per in extension. And now going to the manipulation rules, we will select the X rule, so that's why we have selected 4x here. And now going to PJSIP setting, so here we need to do nothing, just SIP server port that I show you in dashboard here 5060, and SIP server is on which we will be calling here. Alright, so it's all good to go. Now the main important part, submit, apply config. So yep, it's all good to go now. So as I show you before, so my both these server, they are already set up here, free PBX, and the second one as well. So now going to our clients, so one is Kali and the other one is Ubuntu. So password, yep, and the same with this one. here. So Yopier I have already installed in both of this one because it's little long process, it take very long time. So our username is that the extension name that we selected, and then after that the IP address. Same here, the extension name that we entered 1001, and after that IP address of that one, and the password that we have set up, that like I can't reveal here on video. So now, as we know, everything is connected to internet and everything is now set up. So now I'm gonna show you the main part. Now we have to make a call. So now I will be calling from Ubuntu to Kali. So it's 1001 extension name and call. Sorry, so it's something wrong here. 1000 call. Yeah, it's all going and it's all done. So now I have disconnected the call. So now calling from here, I think I have entered the wrong digit before. 01, and I will make a call. Yeah, it's all working. Yeah, before I entered the wrong number, wrong extension name, I was trying to calling myself. So yeah, this also tell us that if we entered any wrong digit or something like that, it's not gonna work. So yeah, it's all done. So this was my assignment 1 for my subject. Thank you.